Top of the morning, top of the morning. Another day, another $100 coming to you live from South Central LA. My boy Lou came away from Santa Barbara. He been here since 6 o'clock. I told him I'd be here at 7:30. I was know he's gonna leave that early. But today I'm working on, as you can see from the title, it's a 78 Cutlass low. He said he's getting back in the lowrider scene, so I want you guys to take a look at the car, whatever, real quick. Take a look at the car, man. It's a 5.3 4L60E drive-by-wire. Check it out. Low rider. I don't know the rest of the song. That's all that part I know right there, man. So yeah, man. 78 Cut Dog came in for a harness job. This is his first swap. He didn't want to deal with the wiring, and I'm like, all right, cool. I'll take care of you, whatever. Lope, what's
up?
Check me out, big dog. So tell him what's up with this thing, man. It's a 78, right?
It's a 78 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme.
All right, what we doing to it today, man?
Yeah, trying to fucking get that motherfucker going.
All right, y'all. And it's a little bit of traffic, you know what I'm saying, because we on the main street, so I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. But just real quick, it's a 5.360E drive-by-wire, right? And it's your first swap.
My first swap, because I was going to put the original one on, but there was too much, so I just decided to go a little bit more louder.
And you say you're trying to get back in that lowrider scene, right?
Get back in that lowrider scene. So they want to hop, I hop. They want to race, I race.
All right, for sure, y'all.
I got 2 in 1.
You got that 2-for-1 special for their ass. But look, so check it out, man. Like I said, it's kind of windy out here because I am on the main street. So I got these people over here. Y'all know space is the issue here. So I got them clearing out some space so we can bring the truck in, the trailer in. And he's going to do his own fuel system. You didn't do it yet, right?
Not yet.
So we're basically able to get it started, but it's going to basically cut on and cut off, like you guys seen in the Monte Carlo video I just posted. If you haven't seen that, please go like that video. And with that being said, like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down if you're a bum, and get your paper, because I'm about to get mine. Oh, wait. Turn that way. Shit, the opposite way. I'm going to have to move the fast for this boy. Can he drive this thing? It's close. Hold on. Boy, I don't know how to work these trailers, I ain't gonna lie. Now here, go ahead. Have to get off this camera, y'all. All right, as y'all can see, the car is on a trailer and it's gonna be leaving on the trailer. Get up here. Oh! 5.3, what the hell is this? 5.3 4L60 drive-by-wire. He got everything from the same vehicle. He has the single return rail for the fuel, but luckily today I don't have to worry about any fuel. And basically we about to get this thing jumping and going real quick. And yeah, man, in and out job. The time right now is, my watch is an hour ahead, still ain't fixed it. It's 8:31. So I'm gonna get this thing started. I told him before 12 o'clock for sure he'll be able to pick it up and get it going. So let me stop talking and get to work. So Lupe just wanted to get his car started and going. So what we went with was these plastic loom harness, blue-green for drive-by-wire. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it, dude. About to get this thing started up and going real quick. Like I said, there's only a couple wires hooked up. If you do buy my harness from me, so you got these 2 wires, you got this one. It's an easy 4-wire hookup. So if you buy the harness from me, it's not even hot. I just want to look good on camera. What dude say on Friday? It ain't even wet over there. It ain't even hot out here. I just want to look good on camera. But if you buy the harness from me, I do give you troubleshooting information and stuff like that, tips to help you get your car started. And obviously, if you can't get it started, holla at your boy, and I'm gonna get it started for you. So let me get on this before it does get hot, because I actually have another G-body. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I have another G-body coming in today. I double booked. So I'm trying to get my books right. I keep double booking. That's my problem right now. And I keep over promising everybody, and I want to make everybody happy, but I'm about to tell everybody just to chill out like I've been doing. I have to make myself, I have to keep myself functional and going. That's what I'm trying to, after Thanksgiving, I think I'm gonna go, if you guys don't know, I was vegan for a little while, and then I tried pescatarian, and I tried doing this and tried doing that. I think I'm gonna go back vegan because my body feels a lot cleaner. I don't sleep as much as it is, but I don't need as much rest. I always feel energetic, and like my Negro strength really be there at all times. So I think I'm gonna just go back to being vegan after the holidays. And you know, I need to drop like at least 20 pounds of sexy anyway. But all right, y'all, let me get to it like I've been saying. And it's 8:34 now. See how long it'll take to get this thing started. Got that thing on the trailer, and it ain't coming off. Bring your car on the trailer, and I'll get it done. Trust me. But I bought the wrong adapters for his injectors, so I'm gonna have to basically I'm gonna have to go get some other ones real quick. But his fuel pump not hooked up, so the injectors really don't even matter right now.
That big ass speed bump, because sometimes they be cool, but sometimes they be brand new. You be like, fuck.
So pretty much got it wired in here a little crazy right now, just to start it, to see. Have we tried starting it yet?
Not yet, not yet.
All right, cool. So, let me test this relay. I mean, this well, with him, I know everything in his car is gonna work properly because he got everything for the same vehicle. And do you hear the oh, maybe if I turn the key on. Hey, bro, do you hear the Lou, do you hear the
Yeah.
you hear it? Do you hear the throttle body?
Yeah.
All right, so oh shoot, I'm trying to get my ass up here. Oh. So all I want to do is cut on and cut off because the fuel's not cut up. So basically we gotta use the starter fluid method because we gotta use the starter fluid method because we don't have any his fuel system is not hooked up and stuff like that, whatever. So basically we just gotta start it up with starter fluid. It's literally gonna cut on and cut off, and then that's all she's gonna get. Then he's gonna start it up, and that's pretty much it. So I'll get back to y'all in a quick second. So I just sprayed some of this in there off the camera, and then fun. It's all good. Shoot, Lou, you wanna start it?
Shit. Let's start the car.
You wanna start it?
Let's start the car.
It's not gonna go nowhere, it's cool. So basically it's gonna cut on and cut off. One, because we don't have the right injector adapters, and the second one is because oh yeah, no fuel pump, no fuel.
Yeah, no fuel pump.
So
I gotta put that on.
Yeah, so it's literally gonna cut on and cut off. So you can just go ahead and bang the key, bro.
Go forward on the key. Yeah. Go.
And the time is 11:12. So it took like right at, I don't know, like 2.5, 3 hours. I forgot what time I started. So now I just gotta clean all this stuff up, man, and get this. Oh, you good, bro? Clean this stuff up, get this thing going, hide this pretty little logo, and then that's pretty much it, y'all. So like, subscribe, share, and comment. Wait, from what time you left this morning, bro?
Man, I was at 3 in the morning. I was at a barber and shit. I was on the road at 4 in the morning.
So I hit him. I didn't know for sure because I was like, man, I woke up at 5:15 and went back to sleep. And then I hit him up like at, I don't know, like 5:45 or 5:30, something like that. I was like, hey, bro, you on the road? He said, I'm on the 405. I was like, damn. So for basically he was already closed. So when I was on my way, he was already here. So it never came off the trailer. He bought it in on the trailer. He's gonna do his own fuel system. Like I said, he just needed a little bit of help with the wiring. He bought the harness from me, and then he actually got this on the deal. I was gonna throw that deal out. I may still do it for 5 people. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, man, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Show some love. If you're a bum, go ahead and leave a thumbs down. 78 Cutlass 5.3 4L60E. All we gotta do is throw some injector adapters on here, the O2 sensors, clean up the wiring, and she is finito. He over there trying to cut it, he ain't waiting.
Fuck this shit.
He said we got it started. We ain't using his AC, cutting it out the way.
Get out the way.
On duty. Scrap
Take
metal.
Turbo out.
Taking that, that's the, yeah. He got that two-step right there, damn it. That's that two-step.
Oh shit.
He got the two-step on deck, man. Yeah. Get up out of here, man. That's it and that's all. My boy Lou over there. Well, they getting that workout in. Like hitting the switches. It's hitting the switches. It's hitting the switches. Oh, good looking out, bro. My bad. Got that thing all locked down and ready to go, man. I gotta buy one of these for my truck right here, man. I want one bad. It looks so much sexier. You know what I'm talking about? Backflip. Ooh.
Backflip.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, man. And she is out of here. Headed back to Santa Barbara.
What the fuck?
Not that Jack though. Jack said I'm staying.
I'm staying.
I'm staying.
You didn't have me close.
Oh shoot, that's why you left it open now. My bad.
Definitely not the backflip.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was like, ooh. I like this. This one clean though. Watch how that boy swivel that thing. You know what I'm talking about? I cannot chase trailers, man. I repeat, I cannot chase trailers. What he doing right now? That's called chasing. Oh, you a bad boy. You a bad boy.
My trash can way back here.
He said he learned the hard way. What happened was he was at a dealership and he didn't want to hit the cars. Hey, I'd rather him push the gate than the car. He said he was at a dealership and he bought a car in a trailer and he didn't want to hit nothing, so he learned how to swivel his way up out of there, man. Bad man right there. All right. I told him to send me some update, man. He about to make it into a hopper. He said he want to hop in, go fast. He said he want to go fast and bounce that ass. There we go. Hey, you think we should move the trash can? Look at him. He was like, come to me. Come to me. I think he out of there that time. That's a bad mother for you.
Never drove this shit.
That's a bad mother for you. Man, boy. Oh, man, watch the bucket. Don't worry about the traffic. We bringing out G-bodies. Hey, it's G-body time to shine. Don't worry about the traffic. It's G-body time to shine. That boy low. He going to Santa Barbara the whole way in reverse, damn it. He going reverse all the way back. One more time. Oh, look at that boy over there cutting up. Over there cutting up. You can always leave it, big dog.
All right, peace on me.
Oh, wait. Yeah.